శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 740th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 12th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, when Draupadi Devi prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma, then Krishna Paramatma saying like this: O Draupadi, whomever you hate, on whomever you have angry, all of those soldiers are going to be definitely killed by Arjuna's arrows. There is no doubt in that. And all the wives of those soldiers who died, they will have to see their husbands in the blood, and then they will also cry just like as and how you are crying now. O Draupadi, whatever it is supposed to be done for Pandavas, everything is done. You do not have to cry now. You don't worry about it anymore. Ma suchaha, don't grieve. O Draupadi, satyante pratijanami rajñam rajñi bhavishyasi. I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the fact. And patet dyauhu himavan siryet prithvi sekali bhavet sushyetoya nidhi krishne name mogham vacho bhavet. You are going to be the Maharajni. You are going to be the princess for all these soldiers. And even if the sky fall down, even if the mountain Himavat Parvatam breaks down, even if the entire Bhumi breaks down, cracks down, even if all the oceans dries out, but my word to you will never go vain. Everything what I said is going to come true definitely. Like that, when Krishna Paramatma said, Draupadi Devi heard all Krishna Paramatma's assurance and looked at Arjuna, who is sitting over there. Then Arjuna also saying, O Draupadi, Marodihi Subhatam Rakshi Yadaha Madhusudanaha Tatha Tadbhavita Devi Nanyadha Varavarnini. O Draupadi, yes, you please don't cry. Whatever Madhusudana, Sri Krishna Paramatma has said, definitely everything is going to happen like that. And it's not going to be happening any other different way. Then Drishtadyumna also saying to Draupadi like this: O Draupadi, I will kill Drona, Sikhandi will kill Bhishma Pitamaha, Bhimasena will kill Duryodhana, Arjuna will kill Karna, and with the support of Balarama Krishna, we will definitely defeat all those soldiers. We will conquer all of those soldiers. And even if Sakshat Devendra comes down, also cannot defeat us. What to say about this Duryodhana? Like that, when Drishtadyumna said, while Pandavas are looking at Sri Krishna Paramatma, now Sri Krishna is saying like this. What Krishna is saying, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.